for packaged bees that were installed about a month ago. What I'm doing now is I gotta open this hole so the entrance reducer, the entrance hole has to be widened because it's getting warm. It's June now. And then I'm gonna add another hive body with 10 wax coated plastic frames so that they can continue to build their brood. So right now I have some paper. I'm going to light the smoker and put my gloves on and then we're going to go to work, and hopefully we won't kill any bees and I won't get stung to death. That's my hope. And if I do, this is my last video. Is that awful? Alright. So smoke it a little bit. That makes the bees think there's a fire. And then they start eating honey and consolidating to protect the hive. This is a sugar water feeder. You can see the bees going right up there and eating the sugar water. I also have some, oh, that's not good. They're stuck. Oh yeah. Wow. Well, they're making a lot of brood comb and honeycomb. I just gotta separate it from the lid. Run out of smoke. A lot of honey. Oh, that's a lot of honey. Stuck in the lid. I don't want to do this without hurting them, killing anybody. I'm going to transfer this. I'm going to try anyway. Oh. Transfer this to the new hive body. Oh. Replace a frame. Boom. Wow. Need more smoke. And I'm out of smoke. That was dumb. Oh. Alright, so. Holy crap. There's a bee on my back stinging me. That's not good. They are not happy. Oh. They're not happy, and I don't blame them. Alright, that's step one. Try to do this without getting stung. Oh, we got smoke again. Thank God. I'm going to smoke myself because they're all around me. All right. They calm down a little bit now. All right, now for more fun, We got a lot more room now. There's honey all over this, so I gotta turn this around and give them a bigger opening. All right, guys. Not very smart to bang on the hive. All right. Done. Ta-da! So now the bees will have more area to build their brood. I'm going to fill this up with sugar water, more sugar water. We had brood patties. I have brood patties that I put on here. And now we don't have to touch them again for another month or so. Just keep feeding. That's it. Thank you. Can't shut it off.